Do you think "I love you" is the ultimate way to express your feelings to your man? Think again. Sometimes words fall short, and it's the little things you do that make a deeper impact. Stick with me, because today we'll uncover the secrets to making him feel truly loved, without saying those 3 magic words. Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things relationships, love, and self-growth. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that will help you understand the men in your life like never before. We'll talk about 10 things men appreciate even more than hearing "I love you." These are gestures and actions that resonate on a much deeper level and make him feel genuinely valued. Whether it's your partner, boyfriend, or husband, these tips will help you connect with him on a whole new level. So, make sure you watch until the very end, because number 7 will blow your mind. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss more content like this. 1. Genuine appreciation. Let's start with a big one. Appreciation. Men want to feel like their efforts are noticed and valued. It's not just about saying thanks. It's about being specific and genuine. For example, if he's the one who always makes sure your car is running smoothly, don't just take it for granted. Say something like, "I really appreciate how you take care of the car for us. It means so much that I can always count on you." These little acknowledgments light up a man's world. They show him that his actions have purpose and that his hard work doesn't go unnoticed. 2. Respect for his opinions and decisions. Men value respect deeply, sometimes even more than love. This doesn't mean agreeing with everything he says or does, but it does mean valuing his thoughts and decisions. Let's say he has an idea for a weekend plan, or he's sharing his thoughts on a work challenge. Instead of brushing it off or countering immediately, listen. Ask questions like, "Why do you think that?" Or, "What makes you excited about that?" This shows you respect his intelligence and trust his judgment, which are crucial for a man's self-worth. 3. Physical affection. Sometimes actions truly speak louder than words. Men appreciate physical affection. Hugs, kisses, or even small gestures like running your hand through his hair or holding his hand in public. It's not always about grand romantic gestures. Sometimes, it's the simple things, like cuddling on the couch or giving him a shoulder massage after a long day. These moments of connection reassure him that you care deeply, without needing words. 4. Supporting his goals and dreams. Every man has ambitions. Whether it's advancing in his career, mastering a skill, or pursuing a passion project, one of the most powerful ways to show love is to support those dreams. Imagine he's been working on a side hustle or training for a marathon. Even a simple, "I believe in you," can be incredibly uplifting. Better yet, take it a step further by showing interest in his goals. Ask how you can help or celebrate his milestones with him. When you're his biggest cheerleader, it creates a partnership built on trust and encouragement. 5. Giving him space without guilt. Men value their independence, and sometimes, the best way to show love is by giving him space. Maybe he wants to unwind with a game night, go fishing, or just enjoy some alone time. Supporting this without guilt, like questioning why he needs time away, shows maturity and confidence in your relationship. This doesn't mean he loves you any less. It means he feels safe enough to be himself around you. And trust me, he'll come back to you feeling refreshed and even more appreciative. 6. Acts of service. Small acts of service go a long way. Men aren't always great at asking for help, but they deeply appreciate it when you step in without being asked. Did you notice he's been too busy to do the laundry? Surprise him by getting it done. Did he mention wanting to fix something around the house? Take the initiative to handle it. These thoughtful gestures say, "I care about you and want to make your life easier." It's a subtle but powerful way of expressing love. 7. Complimenting him in public. This one is a game changer. Compliments are nice in private, but when you praise your man in front of others, it elevates his confidence and strengthens your bond. Maybe he's great at grilling, super handy, or just a supportive partner. Mention it casually at a gathering. Something like, "He's amazing with the kids," or "He worked so hard on that project, and it turned out great." Public affirmation not only makes him feel proud, but also reassures him that you admire him in every setting. 8. Shared laughter and fun. Sometimes, the most meaningful moments in a relationship come from shared laughter. Men love a partner who can lighten the mood with humor or join in on a silly joke. It's not about being a comedian. It's about sharing playful moments that relieve stress and create memories. Whether it's an inside joke, a funny movie night, or just teasing each other in good fun, laughter is a simple but powerful way to connect. 9. Trusting him fully. Trust is the cornerstone of any strong relationship. For men, feeling trusted is incredibly affirming. This means letting him take the lead on certain things, whether it's planning a trip or handling a tough situation. It's also about trusting his intentions and believing in his character. When you show that you trust him wholeheartedly, it strengthens his confidence and solidifies your bond. 10. Being fully present. Lastly, nothing beats the power of being fully present. Men value quality time, and that doesn't mean hours of undivided attention. It means giving him your focus when you're together. Put away distractions like your phone, maintain eye contact, and actively listen when he's talking. It's about making him feel like he's your priority in that moment. These little efforts show him that you're genuinely invested in him and your relationship. And there you have it, -10 things men appreciate even more than hearing "I love you." From small gestures of kindness to moments of undivided attention, these actions speak louder than words. Which of these do you think your partner would value the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with someone who could use these tips, and subscribe for more amazing relationship content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.